Hey guys, it's sick Kevin here. Sick. Flu. And probably you say you can't hear the cicadas where you live. Some people have been saying in Japan I can't hear cicadas where they live. Aw. Listen to this. That's what I hear when I wake up in the morning. A lot of cicadas. Look like hell.